Alright, so what did the sandpaper say to the bartender?
I don't know. What did he say?
Just give me something to knock off the edge.
That's terrible.
I'll be here all day, y'all.
That is a bad dad joke right there.
It really is,
Man.
but that's okay.
Well, I'm Kathleen, and this is...
Mike.
And we're from woodshopmike.com, and welcome to episode 6 of the Scrapwood Challenge.
Yes.
So, Mike, you had a moment last week.
I sure did.
Tell the people what you did.
I finally grabbed victory. And I'd like
won.
to take a minute and just thank all of my fans who came together to support me in my time of need. It was a long 5 episodes.
It was.
And, I really feel like I've turned a corner in my winning strategy.
So, to mark the occasion, I've got a little something for you.
All right.
To pass down, because you've earned it now.
To pass down because you're so much higher than I am?
No. To pass along to you since you won.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So, please kneel.
All right.
It's the victory crown.
Oh, very good. Ah, thank you. Now, is this the winner's wand?
It's the winner's wand.
Excellent.
Yes.
Well, I'm the big winner, so.
There you go.
All right, enough goofing around. Let's get on to it. So what are you going to be using this week?
So I'm going to be using this piece of reclaimed pine that's really way heavier than any 2x4 today is, by the way.
Yeah.
It's got lots of weathered marks, lots of pits. We're going to call it character.
Yeah.
But it's got a beautiful grain pattern to it, so
It really does.
I'm excited about that.
All right.
So what are you going to be using, Mike?
Well, I actually just have a few little pieces of scrap this week. I have a piece of oak offcut, a piece of ingrained ash offcut, and a little bit of walnut. And I will also be using a little bit of epoxy this week with my project.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
And, we should really get our aprons.
Yeah, we should.
You want to try and snap again?
Let's do.
All right. Do you think lavender's my color?
This is not right.
Should we try again?
My shirt is crying.
Yeah, well, it's these hunky muscles.
All right, let's try that again.
Yeah. Hey!
Hey!
Well, that's a little bit better.
That's better.
Yes. Does your shirt still fit?
It's a little roomier.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you're welcome.
Yeah, it's a little sweatier too.
That is free of charge.
Excellent. Yeah.
Well, good luck to you on the project.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you very much. Okay, well, we're all wrapped up with our project, so Kathleen, what'd you make?
I made a magnetic knife block. So this mounts to the wall in the kitchen, and instead of putting your knives in a block of wood, then it mounts to the block of wood and holds your knives.
Very good.
Yeah, so kind of a modern twist on a knife block.
Sure.
So Mike, what'd you make?
I made a...
Tiny swimming pool.
Yes, a tiny swimming pool. You can just dive right into it. No, I made a coaster, actually. Mixed media of epoxy and I think it was aqua blue was the name of this color.
Nice.
Those walnut scraps, the ash, and the little strip of oak. They're all in there. So, yeah.
Got a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything.
Very nice.
Yes. Thank you.
Awesome.
Well, you guys know the drill. Head over to our Instagram stories to vote for who you think won, or comment below in the YouTube comments.
And until next time, have fun making something.
We'll see you guys. All right, we're up there.
Yours is sweaty.
It happens.
This is love.
I have a lot of heat and energy.
Well, the whole came out on your shirt. Out of it.
That's better. Well, let's get to the...
Get to the brilled. What is the brilled? Tell me where to find that.
If
I
you
get in my car.
Yeah, you
and
take
I
a
start
left
driving.
down, shut the heck up.
You're so mean. You know, you've really been rubbing me the wrong way lately. That's better.